Hey there peeps, Mewmew here and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are going to be opening this lovely Pusheen box, and you know, it doesn't have anything on the bottom and you know, its little tail, and on top you can see some sprinkles. I am very excited to see what's in this box. It is the Summer Box 2018 and as you know, this box only comes every quarter, so I'm very excited to see what they do because this is one of the boxes I love the most that I get. And we have Pusheen, and we have lots of stuff. A lot of stuff. Okay, so let's start digging in. What do we have here? Okay, so we have our card with all the goodies that we have. We'll go through them in a second. So first thing that we've got here is an inflatable beverage float. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? It's I had seen the unicorn ones in the store and I kind of wanted one. Keep your beverage next to you in the pool with this Pusheen drink float. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. We're opening it and we have to open it and we have to inflate it, and you'll see me be random for like a few seconds. Ta-da! We have our little Pusheen drink float. I mean, I don't think is it big enough for like big beverages? I don't know. But I have this tea from my Japan crate, which you can go see somewhere on the link below. But yes, look, the Pusheen holds your drink very comfortably. So cute. It's very adorable. Very adorable. Choo, 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 choo. Okay, so we're gonna put the drink float aside, and now we have paper straws for our drinks. And oh my gosh, where were these a month and a half ago? Oh my gosh, these would have been perfect for my birthday party. We have Pusheenacorn, and we have some little Pusheens drinking ice cream eating ice cream. Oh my gosh, these would have been perfect for my birthday party, and I'm gonna be using them. Although I'm very weird about paper straws, but they're still very cute. And actually I should put them on this side where I'm putting the stuff that we've gotten. Here we have, oh, we got a tank top. This time we are appropriately themed for the holiday, well, for the quarter, because last time we got a sweater in February. It feels very cold and like a little wet. I don't know why. But this is a tank top. It has Pusheen and Stormy and another random friend all eating ice cream. I love it so much, and it has sand on the bottom. This is really cute. I can't wait to wear this. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. It's adorable. And it's really big. This is the M and it looks big. So I'm very, I'm gonna be wearing this on stream at some point for another video. And now we have, oh, I guess we should just read what it said. These paper straws are a perfect addition for a summer party. Then we got the tank, slip into this tank top next time you hit the beach. And next we have, oh my gosh, this is me. This is me. This Pusheen is me so much. You have little confetti everywhere, and then you have Pusheenacorn. As you know, I'm a kitty unicorn, and the Pusheenacorn is eating ice cream. So this is the Pusheen embodiment of this kitty. It is a really cute water bottle, and it says hand wash. Oh my gosh, I have to keep the tag. Look, oh my gosh. And this by Culture Fly. I was trying to see if maybe God made it. So it says, this Pusheenacorn water bottle is perfect for when you need to stay hydrated on the go. You bet I'm gonna have that with me. Then we have, oh my gosh, a plush. And this exclusive plush is your perfect summer vacation companion. Oh my gosh, it is. Look at Pusheen in this little float. It's so cute. She's like, I'm trying to survive here. This would be me, because I don't know how to swim. It's just so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, keep going, keep going. Okay, we have our figure for this time around, and we need to take it out of the thing because with the lights it's just gonna glare. and Jelly Bear is wearing a hat. Okay. I can't even. I gotta show y'all. But she is not cooperating. Look at her. She's rocking them waves with her sunglasses. I love that the stand is actually the surfboard. She's beautiful. She's gonna go on the shelf with all the other Pusheen figures I've been collecting. Oh. A mini Pusheen corn pot. We can plant home, hold small items, tea time, watering pot. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love Pusheen corn. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a Pusheen corn right there. But oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy right now. Oh, that was cracked there for a second. Oh my god. Look at her little handle as her tail. And then this. Oh my gosh. This is too much. Look at the little paws. This is adorable. I don't know if I'm gonna use it for tea. I mean, this is like literally 1 cup of tea. Or water my plants. Or I'm just gonna have it in my desk with I don't know what. But it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I love it. People would love this multi-use Pusheen corn pot that will surely brighten any room. It surely will. And we have a USB desktop fan. I don't know if anyone's heard me complain about the fact that my office gets a little hot. This directions: insert the USB plug to the USB port on your computer, switch to fan on. When you're done using, be sure to switch the fan back off. Oh my gosh. Pusheen blades. Oops. The little standing legs fell. I think they were just supposed to be used for attachment. Let's find out. Okay, so I picked up the attachments. I don't know where they go. Oh, okay, so back here it has a little insert of where these should go. So I can stand up. Or I could have gone in the instructions. That could have worked too. So you just push them in. And then you have your little fan. Oh my gosh, this fan is so cool, so cute. And then you plug it in. And it should work. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. This box, it always does not cease to surprise me. So this is what we have. This was everything that was in the summer 2018 Pusheen box. The items that we got today were the figure. So I mean, going in order, we have the summer figure, which, you know, are unique to the Pusheen box. Then we had our very cute straws, which were late to my birthday. Then we have the drink coaster floaty. I mean, it's just so cute. I mean, you can even if you don't use it, if you want to feel summery, you can put it on your desk, put a cup in it, and put your pencils inside. Let's see, the next thing we have is our Pusheen corn little pot. Then we have our fan, which is so cute. And we have our water bottle, which is me, which is basically me. And we have the tank top, which I will be wearing at some point. You'll catch me on a video or on stream in this. And we also have the Pusheen plushie. Oops, the Pusheen plushie, which is so cute. I mean, I can't get enough of the Pusheen box. It is about, it is around the same amount that any boxes that you get monthly are. So it's on comparable to those prices. But what I really like about the Pusheen box that sometimes I don't see in other kind of boxes of this type is that all the items, when you get them, they're very usable. I still use the pancake pan that they sent us last year. A lot of the things are just, they're good for lifestyle. I have the Pusheen curtain in my bathroom that we got in fall, I believe. So definitely the things that they give us are usable, and if you are a Pusheen fan, or even if you're just entryway into the Pusheen fandom, which I was when I first got my first Pusheen box, this is definitely a really cool and nice box. I have all my Pusheen figures either on the shelves or somewhere around here because there's one over there. So I really love this box. I'm still going to continue getting it just because I really enjoy it. I can't wait to see what stuff they bring us in the future because they do not cease to surprise me. And it's like they knew. They knew. Mew Mew needs a fan in her office. They knew. They knew. Well, let me know in the comments below, what did you think of the Pusheen box for summer 2018? Did you order it? Are you loving it? Are you going to continue your subscription? If you don't have it, what was your favorite item? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you all so very much for watching. And until next time, meow to meow.